Hey, it's Brenner here this morning. Down here collecting some fire tinder. I've been running out of cedar bark, so it's time to gather some more. Right here's an eastern red cedar tree. Like I said, you can just come up to them. They're not going to hurt the tree none. And collect good bird's nest material off of it. You can just get handfuls of it like that. And I take this home and dry it out. And that's what I use in my tinder pouch. It makes excellent bird's nest. And if you can find a dead poplar tree, tulip poplar, they also work good. The inner bark on the, if you can find one the bark slipping on, take the inside of the bark and you can shred that off, and also makes great bird's nest material in this area. But I won't bore you with this. I'm just going to collect some and replenish my stockpile, and I'll bring you back here in a little bit. Alright, I'm back. Just thought I'd show you this. Me and the wife stopped there for maybe 20 minutes pedaling around down in one of my favorite spots to pick up chert. I got a lot of big pieces that I'll have to process down. There's all sizes. I got some good small shards there too that's ready for flint and steel. Like I said, a lot of these bigger pieces here I'll have to take and process them down. But if you know anything about flint knapping or just watch a video on it, it'll give you a real good idea how to do that. There's plenty of videos out there for that. But like I said, that was just maybe 15 minutes or so picking up, and there's enough chert there to start many hundreds of flint and steel fires. I'll bring y'all back here in a minute and we'll try to maybe get us a fire going with that cedar bark I collected, and I brought some char cloth with me and my little steel, so we'll see if we can't put that fresh cedar bark, see if we can even get it to ignite. A lot of dampness in it, but never know, it might work. We'll give it a shot. I'll bring y'all back here in a minute. Alright, I'm back. That's some of that cedar bark I just collected earlier and done processed it up. Kind of been letting the air dry the dew out of it a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can light this up with flint and steel. Get a couple pieces of char cloth out of here. Go ahead and tear it in half there and get some good fibers exposed. A little shard of flint there we picked up this morning. Look on the edge of it. Let's see what we can do here. Alright, we got her lit. Let's see what happens with fresh cedar bark. There you go, folks. I've collected a little bit this morning, and like I said, I processed that up a little bit just to let the air dry through it a little bit. It's still early in the morning. I had a heavy dew. As you can tell, the humidity is terrible this morning. Thanks for coming along. Have a good day.